Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, I'm not sure how well you better hear me. It's very windy out here, so just in case you can't hear me that well, I apologise. Anyway, this is one of my biggest upgrades I've done to my car. I've got this bumper bar on. That bolts on from underneath. There's 6 bolts, 3 each side. That took about an hour to get it sort of by the time I got it lined up and worked out how to get the bolts in and whatnot. You'll see at the end I included a bit on how I did it. It's got these we've got 2 bolts that go in the side here. In fact, I can probably show you. I've got them 2 bolts there. There's one under here, you can't see it, but there's one there. That one just screws straight in, but this one, same as the bottom one, that has like a little head on it where it has to go through the hole in the frame, and it has a slot in this bar actually to allow you to get it in there, but it don't really go in that easy. So what I ended up doing is tying a piece of wire onto that bolt, wrapping tape around, and then dropping it into the hole, and then feed that wire through this frame. And then after I got the bar in place, just simply take the tape off, put the bolt on, then pull the wire off, put the nut on, and then pull the wire off, and that's how I got them in. But yeah, that's a little fiddly, but got that in. But I suppose overall it took about an hour fiddling around getting it in. Less than that maybe. Actually, unpacking it took longer. I should think. No word of a lie, that's well packed, which is nice. It was very well packed. That had to come from the company Kyushu that make it. But yeah, it took longer to unpack it than it did to actually put it on. But there it is. It's a really solid bar. It's not very heavy. It only weighs 18 kilograms, so it's a nice solid bar. I've got it on there, well, more for show than anything, but it will of course protect my bumper. Well, it's designed to protect the bumper, and it's got, so you can see the spotlights can go on there. It's got recovery hooks, and before anyone say they aren't good for recovery, that's quite right. They're more for decoration. I mean, the car underneath has 2 good, factory built in recovery hooks anyway, so I don't need to use them, but yeah, they're just for show. So yes, you'd be right to say you can't use them to recover anything, and that's right. But yeah, I've got it on there, one for show, just to make my car look totally different to anyone else's, and it does offer some bumper protection, that's for sure. Because that bolts onto the main frame of the car underneath there. It's a good solid steel bar that goes on. It's like an angled bar that goes on there, so it's really strong. It's well built, but it's not too heavy. Like I say, it's about 18 kilograms. So it doesn't. When I put it on, the suspension don't move. It's just very light really for this car. The other thing is it's below all the sensors, so it don't affect any of the sensors. See these spots here on the bumper? They're all the proximity sensors. So it's below that, but so it don't affect that. But although it's below the sensors, it's not below the bottom of the bumper, so I'm not lost any ground clearance really, apart from them 2 metal support bars that hold it on. I've still got pretty much the same ground clearance, and I'm not using this car for rock crawling anyway, so that should be alright. But yeah, so that's probably my biggest upgrade I've done. I wouldn't put a bumper bar on, bull bar on, obviously I don't need that, and it would interfere with the sensors, and it would be too heavy probably, so it might be a problem for the suspension and get more tyre wear and all that. But this bar, let's say, only weighs 18 kilograms. It's nothing. It didn't make any difference to the suspension. It didn't drop it at all. So if it was much heavier, I would never put it on. That's the only reason I've gone for that. But yeah, it's custom built by a company in Japan, down in Kyushu. That's where I got that from. I ordered it from them, and they sent it up here. I bolted it on. So yeah, that's that. know what you guys think, but I think the car looks really nice now at the front. It just got that more, I don't know, more aggressive look to it. It just makes it look different. Well, I like it anyway. So yeah. Okay, that's just that, just to show you that upgrade. Just waiting for snow now. Take the car out in some snow if we get some soon, hopefully. So if we get any decent snow, I'll take it out and go for a drive in the snow with it. You can see how it goes. But I've got other videos coming along. I think I mentioned before in previous video, I'm going to be doing the like cover for the boot when I open it to stop the rain coming in. I still haven't done that, so I will get round to that eventually, and I'll show you guys that once it's done. I'm also going to do a shelf system for the back of the car. And I've got plenty of room in the boot, and I've got a big box to put things in, but it's not, you know, I carry a lot of things around, so I'm going to probably have like a shelf and tray system in there. So just when I'm out and about and carrying my stuff, I can divide the bits up more neatly, you know, something like that. So that's something I shall work on over the winter, and I'll show you once it's done. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the like button. That will certainly help my videos get out and about, and for help people, anyone who's interested. Someone might be interested in putting this on the car, you know, it'll definitely be useful, and other things that I've done with the car. So yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching. And by the way, there's actually I just realised it's I attached a bit onto the end of this video, so which you'll see. That's to show you how I actually did the bar, you know, put the bar on. There's only a brief short piece, but anyway, that might be useful. Okay, thank you, bye. And today I've got a video about, on this. I bought a bar, bumper bar for my car, and I'm going to put it on. So I think I know how to put it on. Well, I know how to put it on, but they've got some of these little fiddly clip things. These have to go locate into the frame, and then you put the bar on. Actually, what it has these slots here, so basically you put them on here first, and with a nut, and then offer it up to the car, and then sort of, you know, wriggle this into the hole. But I tried that, it's not very easy. So what I'm going to do is put a piece of wire around here and tape it on, and then pop it into the hole on the frame of the car, and then just put it through after. So that's the plan. So first of all, I'm just going to put the wire on here. I just wrap that wire around there like that. Now I'm going to put a little piece of tape on just to make sure it can't pull off, like that. And I'll fold this over so it doesn't stick on the end here, and that's easy to pull off after. Otherwise I won't be able to pull it off easy when it's in the thing. So I do like that, and then got the wires there. I won't come up the top here like that. And the idea is I just pull it through the hole, so I can pull it back out. I've got 4 of these to do, so I'll do them, and then I'll show you where they go. Okay, this is where it has to go, in there, you see. The idea is that go there, when I put them, then I can just put it through after, like that. So I'll just tape that in place there, and then I can just simply put it through. So that's the idea. So I'll do the others like that. So yeah, this one just has a bolt, and there's one here on the bottom as well. Same idea. Go in there. And then that one doesn't go that high up, so probably it can just sit in there like that. Should be alright. But just think, but for this one, without a wire, once you push it through there, you've got no way of getting that out, so it has to have a wire on. That's it, and like that. Okay, that's what I've done, like that. You've got them hanging there. Now I should be able to just offer the bar up, put the middle bolts in and feed these wires through, and then bolt it on. There you go, there's the bolts. they're in there like that, and that one under there. That's it. So that's the frame all on, that's all bolted on. That should all be alright there. Took a little while just to fiddle get the bolts out, but they were okay. That worked, just pulling the, you know, putting the wire, I fed the wire through the holes here, and just pulled them through, and sort of, you know, sort of like move the frame a bit. I jacked it up as well. Got a bit of board block under the wooden block under the frame there, and just got my trolley jack and jacked it up. That made it easy to get it in the right place, and then got the bolts in and done it up. And that's it, that's the result. Yeah, so it wasn't too bad. It took about an hour, I suppose. I was going to have to sort of fiddle around at the bar, you know, so it's lined up here. Both sides are the same. And that was it then. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back again soon. Okay, goodbye.